So what's up, everybody? My name is ATEYA and I thank you guys so much for joining me today on this cooking video. So on today, I'm going to take you guys back. Yes, more like a cooking video, a blast from the past. I did this video of microwave peanut brittle back in June the 30th of 2008 and it was a hit. But my video was in low resolution. Here's the holidays and I decided that I wanted to put it all in a nice gift box. And if you have not seen my video on ATEYA'S pecan toffee muffins, you better check that out because those right there are the bomb and those are going to go right into this box with the peanut brittle. So on today, I'm going to show you guys all the ingredients and it's really easy. You pop this stuff in the microwave and you're done. It's very easy. I'm going to show you guys the box that I'm going to be adding all the peanut brittle in. Check it out. Isn't this such a beautiful box? I got this box from Marshall's for $5.99. Really cute. And all you have to do is place some dollies in and put everything in there so nice and pretty. And you can just deliver this and say, Merry Christmas, and you're all good. They're going to be happy that you gave them this for the holidays. So again, I am so happy and thankful for you guys. Thank you for all your love and support on all my previous videos, Main Focus Monday, and my last health tutorial. I really appreciate it. So let's get into the blast from the past of ATEYA'S microwave peanut brittle. And the recipe is from allrecipes.com. Miss Linda C, thank you so much. So let's check it out. Hello everyone, and I'm so glad you joined me today for this holiday treat. These are the ingredients. And next up, these are all the brands that I use for this video. So let's get started. You need a glass bowl and any kind of beautiful baking sheet. I said that because I just bought that today and I love it. So spray your baking sheet with Pam and set it aside. Now in the glass bowl, let's pour 1.5 cups of dry roasted peanuts along with 1 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of Karo syrup, the light. Make sure you get all of that out of the cup, all of that good stuff, and a pinch of salt. That's my pinch of salt. That's like ATEYA'S way. So mix that up really good because we're about to pop this bad boy in the microwave. Make sure you go from the bottom and get all that sugar. So let's put in microwave for 6 minutes. So now quickly add the 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix very well. Let's put that back in the microwave for 2 more minutes. Now quickly, we're going to add the 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And I did say quickly. Right after you take this out the microwave, you have to hurry up and put the baking soda in. And it's going to make this a nice light white caramel foamy color. So now let's transform this to the baking sheet. yummy. I cannot wait to dive in. So as you can see, it's kind of high, and now it has settled. Now as you guys can see, it is all done. Make sure you take the brittle off the baking sheet and put on parchment paper. Now you can break it up as big or as small as you like. Now I'm going to add my dollies to my beautiful Merry Christmas box. And now it's all done. And you can definitely double this recipe. Voila. Now for longevity, make sure you add a Ziploc bag to the box, because if they don't eat it all, they have to put in a Ziploc bag or it won't last. And this is another holiday idea. Get a small gift bag and get a small Ziploc and put the brittle in there, and there you go. Look how cute. So this is the end of the video, the microwave peanut brittle by Miss Linda C of allrecipes.com. Make sure if you use this video, make sure you give your girl a shout out. All my media outlets are right there at the bottom of the screen. As always, I love you guys so much, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you for joining me today. Bye-bye.